Yo, what's up? Kuya Rene Boy here. Another work from home hiring na naman guys para sa mga naghahanap ng work from home job. Okay, so meron tayo ngayon, pwede po sa walang experience. Ay actually, hindi mo naman kailangan ng experience pero pag inaral mo, pwede mo ring applyan. Okay, ito po yung tinatawag na pagiging executive assistant. Hiring po sila and ang pwede ninyong kitain ay $7 per hour. Okay, so $7 per hour, not bad lalo-lalo na kung ikaw ay nag-uumpisa or beginner pa lang sa industry. Ay, yun, sasagutin natin yan. Sasagutin natin yung mga pagkakaiba ng pagiging general VA tsaka executive assistant mamaya sa video na to kasi may mga debate ako nakikita. Okay, and then of course, bibigyan ko rin kayo ng idea kung paano kayo makakapasa dyan sa hiring natin mamaya. Okay? By the way, this is Kuya Rene Boy. Sa mga bago pa lang dito, I'm currently on a mission to create 1 million jobs and libo-libo na yung natulungan natin na magkaroon ng work, maging virtual assistant, maging call center agent, ikaw na ang susunod. Okay? So, yan. Kaya kung bago ka lang dito, palaging paunahan, make sure na naklik mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated ka kada meron akong bagong video na work from home hiring, mga ganyan. Okay? So, ang company na hiring ngayon guys, ang gagawin nyo lang po is bibisita lang kayo or pupunta kayo sa website ni ReniAI.work. Share muna ako ng screen para makita natin guys. Let me share my screen. Yan. So, sa mga bago pa lang dito guys, tawag dito puro work from home yung mga content ni Kuya Rene Boy. Pero bago natin to i-share, survey muna tayo. Sa mga naghahanap ng work from home, comment sa baba, work from home. Sa mga naghahanap ng part-time job, comment sa baba, part-time. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang po, punta lang po kayo sa reneai.work. Yan. Sa reneai.work, pwede na po kayo mag-create ng account ninyo. Free account, click nyo lang yan. Parang online jobs PH lang siya. At kapag nasa loob na kayo ng ReneAI account ninyo, ang gagawin nyo lang po is pupunta kayo sa work from home job alerts. So meron yan dashboard, portfolio, niche finder, interview coach, cover letter generator, certificates. Sa work from home job alerts kayo pupunta and makikita ninyo itong executive assistant na hiring ngayon. Okay, kapag kinlik natin, $7 daw per hour. Okay, I think nagkamali na nasulat, $7 per hour yan. Tag dito, we are looking for an exceptional communicator to join our team in a role that sits at the intersection of lead qualification, sales support, relationship management, and executive assistance. You will act as the first point of contact for many consumer packaged goods brands entering our ecosystem. So ikaw daw po yung pinaka-front. Okay, ikaw yung first point of contact na makakausap ng mga CPG. Okay, so ayun po yung gagawin. Ang sabi dito, ayan, $7 per hour. And then ang trabaho ay around 20 hours per week. And then ang time zone ay Eastern Standard Time Zone. Okay? So, ito yung mga key responsibilities. You need to qualify the leads, okay? And then, ikaw yung sasagot ng mga discovery calls. And you will run structured 15 to 20 minute qualification sa mga brand founders and operators. So, it requires English communication skills. Pero ano ba yung pinagdedebatian nila nung nakaraan sa online? Ang dami nakikita ni Kuya Rene po eh. Kasi merong in-interview yata sa isang podcast and then masyado niyang binibida yung executive assistant, yung pinakamadali daw na role. And executive assistant, totoo naman, madali lang naman siya sa panahon ngayon dahil may AI na. Pero nung panahon na nag-uumpisa yung VA industry dito sa Pilipinas, mabigat po ang role ng mga executive assistant. Okay, so pwede pa nating sabihin na mas madali ang pagiging general VA or admin VA kumpara sa executive assistant. Kasi guys, sa executive assistants, you will be talking sa mga mas matataas na tao. Okay? May mga positions sa company, mga decision makers, mga C-suite level. Yun po yung hinahandle ng pagiging executive assistant. Ang typical na general VA naman, sila po yung nag-handle ng mga tasks, ng mga admin tasks. Yan po ang ginagawa nila. Okay, more on appointment scheduling, And then, sa operation po, kadalasan ang mga general PA. Pero pag sinabi nating executive, medyo mataas yung role na to. Okay? Medyo mataas din yung responsibilities and kung i-level natin yung difficulty, hindi po kasing dali ito ng general VA lang. Okay, pero sa executive assistants, mula nung pumasok yung AI, okay, dito na tayo sa AI era, kaya pwede na nating masabi na halos nagle-level na sila ngayon dahil po sa AI, pero mas maganda, mas ano pa rin siya, mas matimbang pa din yung level of difficulty ng executive assistant role kasi C-suite level nga yung mga makakausap nyo dito, matataas na tao. Okay? So, kadalasan, ikaw ay mag-work as personal assistant, executive assistant ng mga CEO, COO, CMO, CFO ng isang kumpanya. Okay? So, kung ready ka na mag-apply dito, fill out mo lang yung form dyan. Meron sila ditong pinapa-fill out na form. Click mo lang yan and copy mo lang to and then paste mo sa browser para makapag-apply ka na. Okay? And then, ang kagandahan dito guys, kung hindi ka naman ready, hindi ka pa marunong maging executive assistant, meron tayong certifications dito, libre lang yan. Ang gagawin nyo lang po is aaralin ninyo kung ano nga ba ang pagiging executive assistant. And kapag inaral nyo yan, automatic, isasend po, pag natapos nyo to yung 10 modules na yan, isasend yung certificate na nakapangalan sa inyo, yung certificate na yun, isasend yan sa email ninyo ng libre. Ayan po, ganyan kaganda dito sa Reni AI. And kung gusto nyo pong kumuha ng portfolio dito, libre lang din. Imagine, papalitan mo lang yung nakasulat dyan. 'Di ba? Social media yan. Social media virtual assistant. Ayan. Executive assistant. Kung iyon yung ina-apply mo. Kung wala ka pang tawag dito portfolio, pwede nyo itong gamitin. Okay? For example, ayan. Ayan yung pangalan mo. Ayan. And then, pwede mo ring palitan ng photo. So, meron na kayong instant portfolio kapag gumamit kayo ng Reni AI. Yun po yung mga benefits kapag meron kayong Reni AI. Okay? So, yan. Instant portfolio. So, kahit anong design ang gusto ninyo, meron kayong mga designs dito na pwedeng pagpilian. Pag click ninyo yung full preview, ayan po yung makikita ng client. Okay? Pwede nyo rin i-click yung mga tools na ginagamit nyo or marunong na kayo. Ayan. Lalabas yan automatic dyan sa inyong portfolio. Okay? Yun po yung kagandahan dito sa Reni AI kasi pwede kayong mag-build ng profile ninyo, ng portfolio ninyo, ng libre. Tas eto, may libre na rin kayong domain. Hindi na kayo bibili ng domain, guys. Libre na din yan. Ayan na yung link na isasubmit nyo sa mga client sa iba't ibang platform. And kung gusto nyo na mag-apply, meron na din dito sa loob. Meron din siyang niche finder kung hindi mo pa alam kung anong niche mo. Merong interview coach, practicean kayo ng interview ng AI. Meron din siyang cover letter, meron din siyang certificate. Okay, kung ikaw ay meron ng client, for example, for interview ka na, pwede mong gamitin si pitch calculator. Okay? So sa pitch calculator, for example, isa kang executive admin. Ayan. Nag-a-apply ka bilang isang executive assistant. Ito yung calculator na ginagamit ng mga virtual assistant. And tumataas yung hiring or yung passing rate nila up to 95%. Kasi nagugulat yung client, paano nangyari na na-identify mo yung mga numbers, yung mga revenue leakage ko. So, yun, dahil po yan dito sa Discovery Call Calculator. Okay? So, kung bibigyan ko kayo ng example, pwede natin gamitin yung prompt na ginagamit ni Kuya Rene Boy para ma-identify natin kung paano nga ba yan. Okay, so kay ChatGPT, try natin. Ito. So kunyari, nag-a-apply tayo bilang isang executive assistant. Okay, so yan full tutorial na to guys Hey ChatGPT, let's simulate a full executive assistant interview. You will be a client with a specific business problem and I'll be the applicant. Start by greeting, describing your company and what do you need why do you need an executive assistant? And after my answers or pitch, give me the decision right away. Onset of the role play interview, if I pass or not. If pass, welcome me to the team. If not, let me know the reason why I failed. Then give me constructive feedback on tone, clarity, and realism. Rate me out of 10 and let me know if I would get a job. Let's begin with realistic greetings. Please conduct it naturally, no immediate feedback during conversation.
Hello. Thanks for taking the time to meet with me today. I'm Jane from Horizon Dynamics. We're a tech consulting firm, and honestly, we've grown fast, too fast. Our executives are spending way too much time on emails, scheduling, and admin tasks, probably 15 hours a week. We need someone who can step in, streamline operations, and handle communication flows so leadership can focus on strategy. So tell me, what can you bring to our team?
Hello, Jade. So yeah, by the way, I appreciate that. My name is Rene. I've been working as an admin, executive assistant, and virtual assistant for more than 2 years now. What I can bring to your team, I think I need to assess, or I need to ask you some questions in order for me to assess your needs in your company. Is that okay?
Absolutely, go ahead and ask what you need.
Okay, so most executives I work with don't have a productivity problem. They have a delegation problem. Let me show you what yours is worth. How many hours per week do you personally spend on emails, scheduling, and admin tasks?
I'd say about 15 hours per week. It's definitely eating into time that should be spent on high level decision making.
Mhm. Okay, if you put a dollar value on your time, what would 1 hour of your time be worth?
That's a great question. I'd say around $200 per hour given the level of decisions we're making.
Okay, and how many meetings do you have per week that require preparation or follow up notes?
On average, I'd say about 10 meetings a week. Each meeting probably
10
requires at
meetings.
least half an hour of.
Sorry. How many tasks are sitting in your to-do list right now that aren't getting done?
Currently, I'd say there are about a dozen tasks that keep getting pushed back.
Doesn't 12. You mean 12, right?
Yes, exactly, about 12
Okay.
tasks lingering on the list right now that really need attention.
Okay. So yeah, what I can bring to the table based on your answers, okay, you spend 15 hours per week on admin, 10 meetings that need prep and notes, and you have 12 pending tasks. At $200 per hour, that's $17,200 per month of your highest value time absorbed by tasks that shouldn't require you at all. I take over everything: inbox management, calendar, meeting, prep, task execution, and building the systems that stop the backlog from coming back. Okay, me as your executive assistant, I'm going to charge $1,000 per month, and I return $12,900 per month in executive capacity. That's going to be 12x return on your investment. That's that's your time back. How does that sound?
That sounds solid, Renee. I'll give you a clear decision: you're hired. Welcome to the team. I'll rate this interaction a solid 9 out of 10. Your tone was professional, clear, and you really highlighted the value. Great job.
Thank you so much, Jane. So yeah, that's how you apply as executive assistant. You make sure guys na tawag dito, confident kayo dun sa numbers na mabibigay ninyo. Ito yung sinasabi ko na discovery call calculator na magagamit nyo din bilang isang aplikante, okay, sa mga VA role. Hindi lang to pang executive assistant kung ikaw ay social media VA, email marketing, e-commerce, real estate, customer support, SEO specialist, GHL, appointment setter, AI, automation, sales VA, anything. Magagamit nyo to kasi nakadesign nyo to para sa mga virtual assistant. And tuwan-tuwa yung mga client. Actually, yung mga na-handle ko na client before, ito yung ginagamit ko. And nagtataka sila, paano ko nakuha? Actually, hindi ko hinulaan yon. Based yun sa mga naging sagot nila, and nalinawan sila na ito pala yung leakage, ito pala yung value na nawawala sa kumpanya ko kasi masyado ako nagpapakasubsob sa mga admin tasks, which is dapat dinedelegate ko na sa ibang tao. So, yun yung reason kung bakit i-hire ka ng client kasi confident sila sa numbers na maibabalik mo, okay? Kasi nga, tawag dito, nabigyan mo sila ng sapat na rason, okay, based dun sa explanation mo tungkol dun sa numbers. May malinaw na numbers habang dinidiscuss mo dun sa client yung tawag dito, yung mga bagay na pwede mong maiambag or makontribute dun sa company nila. Okay? So at least may idea ka na ngayon. So ang kagandahan dito guys, magagamit nyo siya sa Reni AI. Okay? All pro users, lahat sila nakakapagbukas ng recordings. Ang dami namin trainings dito. Kapag susuma total mo to guys, it's nasa 36,000 30,000 mahigit itong total ng recordings na to. And ma-access nyo yan dito sa loob ni Reni AI kapag nag-upgrade kayo into Pro. Tapos yung pitch calculator na ginagamit ng mga virtual assistant, ma-access nyo din. Okay? So yun lang guys. Hopefully mag-upgrade din kayo sa Pro. Maganda yan guys. I'm telling you. Sobrang may enjoy niyo yung mga tools, mga features. Tapos mapapriority din kayo sa application. So yun lang guys. Kita-kits sa next video natin. Hopefully may natutunan kayo. So pwede nyo gamitin yung prompt na ginagamit ni Kuya Rene Boy sa pagpa-practice ng interview. Kapag nagsawa kayo dyan sa AI coach ng Rene AI, pwede kayo sa ChatGPT kahit saan naman. Ang importante is na-expose kayo ngayon at nag-aaral kayo ng AI. Shoutout sa lahat na nagpapa-shoutout. God bless us all guys.